What I have found in these motorcycle crash cases, the defense always likes to try to paint the motorcyclist as somebody who is reckless. There's a common belief amongst many people. They see some people in motorcycles weaving in and out of traffic. They take that general position and they try to put it on the person who's involved in the motorcycle crash. As an example, a motorcyclist is in a crash. The police report says the other party's at fault. Well, number one, as I've said in other videos, the police report does not come into evidence. So what the police report says has no bearing on the case. You then look to, well, what is everybody going to testify to? Now, let's just say, and this happens many times, the at-fault party, they testify and say, well, that motorcycle that I hit, I couldn't avoid him because he was driving erratically. If there are no other witnesses, it'll be your word against the driver. And so in these motorcycle cases, it's vitally important that you get an attorney on board right away. Because even though the police report's in your favor, that oftentimes doesn't really matter in these cases. You need somebody who's on your side right away so that they can collect the evidence immediately. When I say the evidence, we could hire an expert to go look at the skid marks on the road. We could hire an expert to go look at the black box that's in the car of the at-fault party. We can hire an expert to go and try to collect witness statements. Those are all the things that you're going to need, especially in a motorcycle case where there is this initial bias against the motorcyclist, because many juries believe that motorcyclists are reckless and cause the crash. If you're in that situation, you're a motorcyclist, you're in a crash here in Florida, it's vitally important you get an attorney on board right away. So if you're in that situation, give me a call. We can sit down. We can even do it via Zoom. I take cases all over the state of Florida, from the Panhandle down to the Keys, and I can help you with your case.